So here is the curly wig straight out the package. It does have a little bit of a smell to it, so I don't know about that, but I'm gonna see how the curl pattern looks with my natural hair because I got it braided right here. So let's see how that comes out. I really need to take out these braids. It's been a while. Y'all shouldn't even see this. So I already have this curl pattern from a U-part wig I wore before. And like I said, these braids, they're getting ready to come out after I take this wig off. It has all the little clips here, so it's easy to install. And oh, this curl pattern is bomb. Let's see. So usually I would just put some water and conditioner in the curls, but it's looking so far so good. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, but let's see how it looks with it's a little off center. Let's see. So let's take out these braids and see how it blends in with this hair. And just like that, we're done. This is the perfect look to just be on the go. You could just make sure that your hair is already wet and dry and conditioned. Of course, I had the hair straight out the packaging, so my curls is already on fleek, you know. And then just braid your hair at night. Where you've seen I had those 2 braids, just keep those braided. I would suggest putting some water and conditioner. Let that air dry overnight, so in the morning you just pop on your U-part wig, take out the braids, and just blend the hair together, and it'll look just like this. You can do some baby hairs or something to, you know, spice it up a little bit, do like a little twist, or put this in a ponytail. So let me show you guys the back of this wig. Super full. I really like the curl pattern straight out the package, and it blends in so good with my hair. Looks super natural. That's why I didn't do any baby hairs or anything. I just want this wig to look as natural as possible. This is just the perfect natural look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And until my next video,